Assalamualaikum and hi. Right now, our team will be present about mini project one for system analysis and design. Our lecturer name is Puan Syuhada. For our group members is Muhammad NOORHAKIMI bin ARHAM, Muhammad FITRI bin SHAFAAI, Muhammad Ataullah bin ARIZAL, and myself Muhammad ROSLEE. Alright, for introduction, me and my team have been assigned to upgrading the physical access control facility into a systematic control system, including all entrance to SOFIT solution technology and all restrict access control room. Based on physical access control system, you group are required to prepare system analysis for the project with below detail key deliverable, and have to prepare a system analysis for the project with below detail key deliverable. The objective of the system analysis is to outline the key deliverable for upgrading physical access control facilities SOFIT solution technology office in Bayan Baru, Penang. The analysis will focus on implementing a systematic access control system for all entrance to the company premise and restricts access control room. In order to successfully install this system, our team has been assigned to design system analysis. This week, we can see and analyze any gaps that we can improve. Right now, we will explain about different system user category. For the first one is administrator. Administrator play a crucial role in effective management and administration of upgraded physical access control system at SOFIT solution technology. As an administrator, their responsibility to revolve around overseeing and maintaining the system, ensure its smooth operation, and managing user access and privilege. Next, employee. Employee are essential user category within an upgraded physical access control system at SOFIT solution technology. As employee, they interact with system on regular basis to gain access to the premise and restrict access control room. Their responsibility and privilege within the system are defined by their roles and access level. And lastly is security personnel. Security personnel are a crucial user category within upgraded physical access control system at SOFIT solution technology. Their role is to ensure the overall security and safety of the premise by actively monitoring and managing this access control system. Their responsibilities extend beyond regular employees and administrators, focusing especially on security-related tasks. Right now, I will pass my slide to Ataullah.
Okay, define system menu process. First, user access management. User access management is SOFIT solution technology office refer to the process of managing and controlling the access privilege granted to employee and other individual within the organization system, application and resource. It involves various activities to ensure that users have appreciate access right based on their role and responsibility with maintaining security and compliance. Second, identification and authentication. Identification and authentication are fundamental concept in security that focus on verifying the identity of user and ensuring that they are who they claim to be before granting them access to system, application or resource. For example, for identification, user need to enter their ID with the password that has been set For authentication, users are recommended to use biometric control. For example, like a thumbprint, the above is done so that others cannot distinguish themselves to enter a location where there is access that has been given by the administrator. Next, third, alarm and notification. Alarm and notification system play an important role in the company's security. With alarm and notification, the admin will be easier to identify if there are individuals who enter the company without access. For access monitoring. Access monitoring for administrator in company security involves the implementation of specific measure to monitor and control the access and activity of administrators who have increased privilege and responsibility in the organization. For example, the administrator can detect access at time and see whether user authentication success or fail. And last, monitoring and reporting. This feature involves tracking and logging all attempt access, including successful and unsuccessful attempt. Security expert can make any unauthorized attempt to enter restricted location using this produce and necessary countermeasure. In addition, every display data will be recorded into the company data for any reference. Next page, I give to FITRI.
And then I will explain about function decomposition diagram, FDD. First, access control system have 5 functions. That's it. Entrance access control. Entrance access control have 4 sub function. That's it. ID reader, door lock machine, access control server, security channel, security camera. The second, restrict access control. Restrict access control has also 4 sub function. That's it. ID reader, door lock machine, access control server, security camera. Third, system integration. System integration has 3 sub-functions. That's it. Security camera integration, access control server integration, ID reader integration. Fourth, user management. User management have 4 sub-functions. That's it. User interface, user permission, user database, user authentication. Last, power connection. Power connection have only 2 sub-functions. That's it. Backup power generator and electrical wiring and cabling. Next. The context diagram. Access control system have 7 entities. The first one is administrator. Administrator, the input is access record and the output is valid request. Second one, fingerprint identification system. The input is verify and the output is enroll. Third, security camera integration. The input is motion detector and the output is access message. Fourth, ID card reader. The input is card swipe signal and the output is warning signal. Fifth, visitor user. The input is registration and the output is authentication. Sixth, fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor is has 2. The input is capturing FP and the output identify. And the last one is leave access. Leave access have output, that's it, give access permit. Next. First, user need to input the user detail, then send the data to the administrator, which is the user having two ways to access the leaf, and that by using your fingerprint and ID card. The scanner will detect the fingerprint that has been registered in database. There are also happen to the ID card, which is the scanner also scan the ID card to give access to open the leaf. If the validation is successful, the alarm will be triggered. Meanwhile, the data will be stored in record access, and the record will be stored in user database. Administrator will manage the user database. Next, I will pass to Hakimi.
So I will present about data flow diagram level 1 for fingerprint. First, the user need to insert their fingerprint data and the data will be stored in registration data store. After that, the data will be sent to the fingerprint scanner. Next, the user needs to scan their fingerprint to open the leaf. If the scanner detects another fingerprint and do not recognize the fingerprint, the alarm will trigger and the data will be stored in data store entry. So this is about ID card. First, the data that has been collected will be sent to ID card, which will be given to user. User will be given the ID card and need to scan their ID card reader that has been placed at the leaf. If any unauthorized user scans any card that has been not registered, alarm will be triggered and make noise. The data that been collected at the leaf will be stored and sent to database entry. Next. Next. So for conclusion, the system analyst for the upgrade of the physical access control facilities to a systematic access control system provides a comprehensive understanding of the key deliverables and consideration for the project. The analysts highlight the importance of implementing a robust access control system that covers all entrants to soft-fix solution technology and restricted access control rooms. Additionally, the analysis emphasize the significance of identification and authentication in security, where user identities are verified and authenticated through various factors. It underscores the importance of strong authentication protocols, multi-factor authentication, and regular access review to ensure secure access to resource. The analysis also touched upon the role of alarm and notification system in company security, highlighting the importance in detecting and alerting security incidents, breaches, or critical events. It emphasized the integration of various systems such as intrusion detection, surveillance, and emergency notification system to enable timely response and effective incident management. Overall, the system analysis provides a comprehensive overview of the key aspect and consideration for upgrading the physical access control facilities to a systematic access control system. By implementing the recommendation outlined in the analysis, Surface Solution Technology can enhance its security measure, protect sensitive information, and ensure a secure and controlled environment for its operation. Next slide. So this is for the references where we search for any information that we need. Next slide. That's all from us. Thank you.